With the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series is going to be happening in just a few days, leaks are not stopping. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, since we know that this July 10 is going to be the official announcement days for the Unpacked event for Galaxy Z series devices, well, leaks are not stopping. Today we have got another leak coming from a reliable leakster Evenblast, which confirms every single detail about the spec sheet of both the devices. According to the leak that has been coming from Evenblast, give us a detail that this year Galaxy Z Fold 6 is an incremental upgrade from its predecessor. The camera setup is going to be remaining the same as just like the last 3 years models. The phone retains the same 4400 mAh battery and 25-watt fast charging speed, and even the screen size remain consistent. However, one thing that is going to be changing is the dimension. Now we have a device which is going to be shorter and wider, and it's not a big difference. 1 millimeter of shorter and wider display is coming, and more importantly, it is listed with a 14-gram weight reduction. One notable improvement that you could see in the Galaxy Z Fold 6 series is going to be the internal display brightness. Basically, the screenshot indicate that we are going to see a 1.5 times brighter display than the predecessor, which means you can actually get a 2600 nits of peak brightness for internal display. Additionally, the promo material highlights the integration of Galaxy AI features such as Circle to Search with the S Pen and Live Interpreter. Previous leaks rumors that Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be coming with a titanium frame, but the screenshot that has been leaked does not confirm that it will be coming with a titanium frilled or Gorilla Glass armor protection just like the S24 Ultra. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 on the other hand is coming with some improvements, like the leaked promo material confirms a 4000 mAh battery, which is larger in any of the other Galaxy Z Flip phones, and also it's going to be coming with an upgraded 50 megapixel of a primary camera sensor. Along with that, one interesting thing that you will see in both the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Flip 6 that they are going to be coming with an IP48 water and dust resistance. We didn't hear anything like this in the previous model, so definitely this means that we have now official rating for the dust resistant for both the foldable devices, which is again going to be a good thing. Both the devices are going to be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and additionally there is going to be a 12GB RAM option for both the devices. And if it is true, then the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be the first ever Flip series device which is coming with a 12GB of RAM option. Well, this leak is likely to be accurate. We won't have to wait long to confirm the details of the Samsung 2024 foldables. The Galaxy Unpacked event is just around the corner and it's set for July 10. In the meantime, Samsung is giving the potential buyer with a $50 credit for pre-reserving a device, along with the potential saving of up to $1,500. If you pre-reserve the device, you don't need to pay anything now, just need your email and name and it will be pre-reserved for you. Offers like you get a $50 credit, and also you will get a storage upgrade, free accidental damages and theft protection is going to be giving to you, and also you will get a better deals in terms of old foldable devices. And you guys, I'm super excited about the Galaxy Z Fold series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.